Hello.
Hello, sir.
Amit,
Yes, sir.
your camera option is not there.
I didn't hear this, sir.
Your camera option is not there. The camera option is not there in you.
No, sir. I have to attach my camera. I don't have a camera. Just a second.
Okay. All of them to go on the camera now. CD3.
Sir, actually, I'm out, sir.
Okay, Dikshit.
Yes, sir, I'm turning it on.
Sir, is there a maths test also today?
Yeah, I messaged in the group, right?
Sir, but when I checked, I can just see a link for science only. For science
When?
test on motion.
CD3
And
you
the
have
last-
seen.
And the last maths test was on 9th of April.
CD3 you have seen the test.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Dikshit, you.
No, sir, I got science test, sir.
Yes, sir. Only science is there.
Math is not there. Hey, it should be there.
No,
No,
sir.
let me check once. 1 minute. It should be there.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, morning only I just message in the group. Let me check once. Say class 9, right? Test. Upcoming test is no upcoming test. Past test on number system is there. 1 minute. When it was, let me check. 9th April, right?
Yes, sir.
Today is which
That's the
April?
maths test.
I have not posted this one. No, let me check once again. Class 10th, let me check. And class 10th is not there, no. Class 10th test. Hey, it's not on here, Lee. Oh. Oh my God. I put actually, Moni. I don't think I'm not allotted actually, I think. Just do once again here. Add, I'll do.
Oh, okay, sir.
Once again, I'll do here, okay? This one number system, right? Number system.
So should we do it now in the class or after class, sir?
Huh? What? Cell?
No, the test you're sending. You have to do it now in the class. Or
No,
after the
I'll
class?
just put it for till 8 o'clock. You can write, okay?
Okay, sir.
Number system dated. Today it is 5. Next 16, right?
Yes, sir. 36.
Oh, I did mistake. I think that time. I've not uploaded that time. I think uploaded I did, but only finish I should put. I've not finished. Only I've not finished it that time. I think. That's why I think it's went out that time.
Okay, sir.
That gone now. Leave that session. Today I just why it become too late, right, Rikshit? So from next Sunday we'll just write the test. Fine now.
Okay, sir.
So we will start polynomials right now. So what is polynomial we have done? No, last time we were class we are doing polynomials, right? Do you remember?
Yes, so first we did polynomial, then we did number system.
Yeah,
Sir, I wasn't there for the chapter.
polynomials we are doing now, Amit. You are not there,
So
right?
Dikshit was not there. I was there.
Okay, okay, fine. 1 minute. Someone. Hello. Hello. Children, you just got its draft mode right now. The sir called me right now. So it's in draft mode. He was telling that it's draft mode. I just
sir.
put in this one right into this one.
Sir, can you keep the time like that submit time like at kind of 10 o'clock or something? Because we're going out for dinner and so then we can't write it.
So what I should put? What do you want?
Sir, can you keep it till tomorrow so that I can write it tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow morning.
Yes, sir, as we're going out after this class.
Oh, wait 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me check once. Today is 16th April, no?
Yes.
Draft mode. 19th. That what I was trying to do now, no, that was showing in this past actually. Okay, leave then. I will just do this one polynomial. I just go in a glance once again, okay? I just see once again this one worksheets and all. Then we just plan accordingly,
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So, introduction, I told you people that polynomials are basic concept. I told you that. What is the basic concept? Tell me, Amit. Just teach to everyone what is basic polynomial it is.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me basic polynomial. What is polynomial and how to identify that it's polynomial or not?
Sir, the polynomial's power of variable should not be negative, or it should not be in fraction. Like, for example, 1 by 2, something like that.
Yeah.
It should not be like that. Yes, sir. That's
So,
how you
Rikshit,
can identify.
yeah. Rikshit, what Amit is trying to say is polynomial, we can identify the things. We should know variable. We know what is variable, right?
Yes, sir. I know.
So variable power should not be negative or should not be in fraction. That is the main thing what we have here. How do I
So the word exponent should not be mind.
Yeah, exponent, yes. Exponent, power or exponent, both of variable term, not for constant, remember. Variable power. See, I have written here polynomial. This is introduction I have written here. This is a polynomial. Polynomial. Power of variable should not be negative or should not be in fraction. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So only variable exponent you should see. Only power is nothing but exponent. Okay. Exponent of variable should not be negative or should not be in fraction. That's it. Nothing else apart from that. Clear?
Yes, sir. I'll just write it down, sir. 1 second.
I'll share this one to you. No problem. I'll just give this one just to you once again. Let's suppose I'm just giving an example to you right now. Few questions are there based on this. You just tell me which are a polynomial, which are not. Suppose this is x to the power -1. So Siddhi, is a polynomial or not? Is it a polynomial?
So can it?
Sir, it is not,
Not a polynomial. Because why it's not a polynomial?
because
Because
it has a negative power.
yes, this one, second one,
Sir, it is
Polynomial.
it is a polynomial.
it's a polynomial. Third one,
No, sir.
it's not a polynomial, right?
It isn't, sir.
Okay. Last, this one, fourth one,
It is a polynomial.
it is a polynomial, correct. This one,
It is not, sir.
it is yes, because this variable power you should see.
Oh,
not
wait, yeah, no, a constant, right? Okay, yeah, it is, sir.
yes, that's why. And last one,
Sir, it is.
Yes, it's a polynomial.
yes, correct. Understood? So like this, we have to understand over here. So next part of this is okay. Next, this is given here example 4x to the power 3. This is a polynomial on variable x. Why this is polynomial? Because all the powers are positive. This is the expression over here, polynomial, in which all the powers are positive. All the powers are positive. Okay. All the powers are positive in this from here to here till last. Okay. All the powers are positive. Next one you see, is it a polynomial? Second one,
Sir, no, sir.
because your variable power is negative.
Yeah.
Your variable power is
The third
negative.
one is also not, because the variable has a fraction power.
Yes, variable has a fraction. Where is the fraction? The second one, right? The third one you are saying, right?
Sir, the third one, yeah.
Yes. So all three things got cleared right now.
Yes, sir.
I'll move further then. See, these are the things what we have to understand in this chapter. Coefficients, terms, constant, variable, and exponents. There are three terms over here. Just check it out. This one, coefficient. What is coefficient? What is term? What is constant? What is variable? What is exponent? So which part you are feeling difficulty in 5 these terms? In 5 terms, which part you are feeling difficulty?
What, sir?
There are 5 terms over here, right? Written in pink color.
Yes.
Yes. In these 5 terms, which part you are not able to understand? Which thing you don't know? Coefficient,
Sir, I know all of this, sir. I mean,
okay, all of these you know what is basic thing is, right?
yeah.
Okay. Siri, you know all this? Siri, can you hear me? Okay, next you see here, coefficient in this polynomial. In this polynomial, here they are asked, what is the coefficient of x square? So leaving x square, we have to find all right, all the
Y,
things.
Z.
2yz, completely we should write, okay?
Yeah, 2y and Z.
Completely. Suppose what is the coefficient of x? So 2y, okay? Coefficient of x is 2y, like that.
Coefficient of x, sir, in that one.
Yeah, in 2xy, coefficient of x, if I ask you, we should write what? 2y, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Coefficient of x is 2y. Here, what I wrote, the control Z. It's clear to everyone. So polynomials is denoted by px, qs, whatever is in px can be, you can write like this: px is equal to x plus y or x square plus x plus 2. Like this is polynomial. So we can denote the polynomial by some number like qx, px, like that. Okay. In the polynomial, 2x square, 3y, and 2 are the terms of polynomial. In the above polynomial, 2x square, 3y and 2 are the terms. So where is that polynomial? Yeah, this is polynomial, right? In this, what is a term? How I can just say this is a term? See, suppose 2x square is there, then plus 3y is there, plus 2 is there, okay? So polynomial you can just divide by what? Plus or minus. See how many plus are there here? 2. So this is one term, this is second term, this is third term, okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So there are 3 terms over here. So we have just got this right now. Next concept here is 2 and 3 are the coefficient of these all things. There are 5 line items. I think everyone knows here, like 2 and 3 are the coefficients of x square and y. See, x square coefficient is 2, coefficient of y is 3. That is mentioned over here, right?
Yes.
Okay. Next, this part is okay. Next here is x and y are the variables that everyone knows here. 2 is the constant term which has no variable. 2 is the constant term which has no variable, right?
Yes.
So now next one here you just try to understand. Type of polynomials on the basis of number of terms. See, there are 2 types of polynomials, we can just define it. One is according to their number of terms, and second is according to their number of what? Degrees. Degrees also we can just say. Degree is different thing, terms is different. Suppose there is 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, 4 term, right? So if there is no terms at all, 0 terms, like 0, we call it as 0 polynomial, okay? We call it as 0 polynomial, okay?
Yes.
Next one is here. Next question here is number of non-zero terms. If it is 1, so we call it as monomial. We call it as what? Monomial. That is only 1 term will be there. Power, you should not see the power. How many terms are there? And terms, all of you know that we can define by what? Plus or minus. If I
Plus
tell
or
you
minus.
x minus y plus 2, how many terms are there here, Amit?
3.
3. Because we are just writing with plus or minus over here, okay? So there are 3 terms, so we write here. Now this is a 1 term, so we call it as monomial. 2 terms, we call it as a binomial. 3 terms, we call it as a trinomial, okay?
Okay, sir.
So this one you are having doubt, this part number of, according to the number of terms.
No, sir.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Sir, binomial and trinomial are the good same.
Yeah, here is they have mentioned wrongly here. So binomial should write x square, x to the power 3 plus 1 plus x, you should write something. Yes, you are correct. So term should be 3. There are 2 terms over here. So this is also binomial then. They should add something extra also. Correct? They have written
Yes.
wrongly over here. Yes. So next is according to degree. If degree, I'm just writing here degree. If degree is 0, that is constant term, you know, right? If degree is 1, if degree is 2, if degree is 3, if degree is 4, what we call if degree is 1?
Linear.
Linear. Linear polynomial. What about 2?
Quadratic.
It's quadratic. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Third one is?
Cubic.
And fourth one is?
Biquadratic.
Biquadratic.
So what is this, sir?
These are also polynomial. There are 2 types of polynomial are there. One is according to their terms, okay?
Okay,
And
sir.
one is according to their degrees, or you can say exponents. We
What
can
do you
define
mean by degrees, sir?
exponent.
Oh, okay, sir.
Degree, exponent, or power. All 3 are same only, right? Degree, exponent, or you can say what? Power. These all three terms are same.
Yes, sir.
So degree 1 is linear polynomial. Degree 2 is quadratic polynomial. Degree 3 is cubic polynomial. Degree 4 is biquadratic polynomial, right? Biquadratic polynomial, yes. So now we are just going to write in detail, just see in detail what all things are there now. Okay. So till here, these two things are clear to everyone.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
So this is according to their terms.
So if they have 1 degree or exponent, that means it's called linear polynomials. Right?
Yes, yes. Like example, x plus 1. So degree is what? 1.
Okay, sir.
Or only x, degree is 1.
So for example, in this trinomials one right here. In that.
Trinomial,
No, not that, sir. For the in the example of binomial, x square plus 1.
Yeah, any two terms you can say. X to the power 100 also you can take, no problem. X to the power 100 plus 1.
Yeah, is that a linear polynomial as it only has one?
Tell one example what you're trying to say. Tell one example what you're saying. X square
Plus 1.
X square plus 1. This polynomial is binomial as well as quadratic. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir.
Binomial according to their what? Terms, right?
Term, sir.
And this is quadratic also according to their
Exponents of power.
yes, correct. So next is now monomial. Monomial, what is monomial? Polynomial with only one term. Binomial is only 2 terms. Trinomial is only 3 terms. Zero polynomial is not having any term, right? All the coefficients are 0. One is constant polynomial. A polynomial with a single term of a real number is called constant polynomial. Okay. Constant polynomial. So 0 polynomial is 0. Constant polynomial is what? 2. Constant polynomial is 2 also, right? 2, 1 by 2. These are the constant polynomial. What is 0 polynomial? Only 0 should be there. 0 should have only 0 over here. Only 0. And constant polynomial you might be knowing, right? The constant is a constant term what we have here. Constant polynomial. So 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 3 by 5. Yeah. It's clear? So monomial, binomial, trinomial, 0 polynomial, and constant polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Next question here is binomial, trinomial, then monomial, binomial, trinomial, 0 polynomial, constant polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. What is degree of the polynomial? Next question is, what is degree of the polynomial? So, how do anyone knows what is degree of the polynomial? Amit, you might be knowing, right?
Yes, sir. It's basically the exponent.
Sir, I know this too, sir.
You know?
Yes, sir. We learned it in 8th grade.
Okay. Tell me, what is degree of the polynomial then?
Sir, it's the normal you can say exponent of the
Suppose I tell x square plus z. What is the degree of this polynomial?
the 2, sir.
So that is the only mistake what we have. So we should see that how many terms are there. Okay, this is 1 term. This is 2 term. The first term is how much power? Total power is how much? 2 plus 1, 3.
2.
This is 1, right?
Yes, sir. Oh, so we have to add them.
Yeah, complete 1 term. We are just going to see which term is having maximum power. Which term is having maximum power? Then only you can identify which is degree of the
xy square.
Yes. If I tell xy by z plus y square. What is the degree of this polynomial?
X, Y, that means 1, 1, 2. Sir, 2, sir.
This is degree is not defined here
Oh, okay.
because this is not a polynomial. This is not polynomial because divided by z is there. It's just like xy and z to the power -1, right? It's coming like that.
Yeah, okay.
So this is not a polynomial. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So next part of this is what? Which one? So this part you understood. Now type of according to degree. See, we have already read this one, right? The highest power of the variable. What is the degree of polynomial? So the highest value of the power of the variable in the polynomial. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The highest value of the power of the variable in the polynomial is degree of the polynomial.
Okay, sir.
Next question here is linear. These all are linear polynomial, degree quadratic polynomial, right? So linear is
Yes,
having
sir.
only one power, maximum power is 1. So x plus b. This is a standard form, general form of the linear polynomial, where a should not be equal to 0. If a becomes 0, no. If a becomes 0, what happens? This become only constant term. So this is not the linear polynomial, right? A should, their condition is there, a should not be equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
And again in quadratic, if you see, in quadratic polynomial, what happens? In quadratic polynomial also you see, degree is 2. The standard form or general form is ax square plus bx plus c. If this a becomes 0, this only becomes bx plus c. So this becomes what? Linear, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
the a should not be equal to 0. That is a condition that a should not be equal to 0. If a becomes 0, then it becomes what? Linear polynomial. So you should write the condition must, general form you write, and then you should write what? A should not be equal to 0. Then only we can just say it's a quadratic polynomial, otherwise no.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Cubic polynomial similar way. A should not be equal to 0. 0 already you know. Now 0 of the polynomial. What is 0 of the polynomial? Next topic is what is 0 of the polynomial? What is 0 of the polynomial? Yes. So 0 of the polynomial is nothing but which value are going to put over here in place of x, so that this whole polynomial becomes what? 0. Okay. This whole polynomial becomes what? 0. Okay. So in place of x, we should write what? 4. How? X minus 4 should be equal to 0. So x
Yes.
is equals to what will come? 4. If you put x is equals to 4, this becomes what? 0 of this polynomial. If I ask you what is the 0 of this polynomial, what do you say? What do you say? 4 is the 0 of the polynomial.
Okay, sir.
If I ask you find 0 means what you are going to put in value of x, so that whole polynomial becomes what? 0. So make it.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
All right. So next question here is roots. See, roots of the polynomial. How do you identify the roots? Roots is nothing but zeros only. Okay. Roots is nothing but 0. So how many times it cuts the x-axis? See here. How many times it cuts this? If any graph is given to you, they'll ask find the zeros. Find the roots, zeros, or solution. They'll ask 3 things: roots, zeros, or solution of the polynomial. Okay. So your answer would be what? Your answer will be 3 here. How many times touches the x-axis? That you should check it out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So roots of the polynomial is how much? Answer is 3 over here. What is should write? 3. How many times intercepting here? 3. 1, 2, 3. Right? This graph touches the x-axis 3 times. So number of zeros of the polynomial is what? 3. Okay.
Sir, can you give another example for this root of the polynomial?
Another example.
Yes, sir.
Suppose with graph only you are saying.
Yes.
Suppose this I make one graph. What is how many zeros of the polynomial are there? How many zeros are there? This graph 2. How many times it touches the x-axis? 1 and 2 times. How many times it's touching? 2 times here and here, right?
Yes, sir.
So there is 2. This is number of zeros is how much? 2. So by seeing the graph only you can say, but if it mentioned like this, x px is equals to something. Suppose here some next equation will be there to you. If px is given, then only you can write as c. How many x-axis cutted over here? That only you should see 1 and here is 2. Maybe this is not there for you right now, I think in class 9th, but you should understand. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, x is equal to 2 is here. X is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 is a line, or x is equals to 2 is a line or a point? It's a line, you can say. What is it can say? Line. Or we can denote in 2 ways. One is 1 variable, one is second one is 2 variable. Also we can write. Okay. So x is equals to what? 2 is a what? Line, you can say. How do we make this graph?
Sir, then what about that 0 thing, sir?
With 0?
Sir, you wrote they'll ask some zeros.
Zeros is means that only, no? How many zeros are there? So this on how many times it's touching this one graph?
Oh, so that means how many zeros there? And what
Yeah.
about the root? Oh, if the root and the 0 are the same.
Yeah, root, solution, zeros. All the 3 words are same.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, these all 3 words are same. The answer is 3 over here. Here answer is 2, like that. So if x is equal to 2 is mentioned, so how many times it's touching the x-axis? Only 1. So here how many zeros are there? 1 zeros. How to draw the graph of this? If x is equal to 2 is mentioned, it means this is parallel to y-axis. This is parallel to y-axis. Okay. This is parallel to y-axis. It's clear now. Next one you see now.
Yes.
Next question. Question number 2. Find P1 for the polynomial of this. It means that what you're going to put, if you're going to put the value of 1 here, no, in place of x, t here. If it is t, put t is equals to 1. So what will get the answer? If p of 1 is equals to, put the value of 1 here. So 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So the answer is what? 1 only. So find the value of P1 for this polynomial. Clear now? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If I ask you, draw the graph for y is equals to -2, can you make the graph? Y is equals to -2. Can you make the graph?
No, sir.
I told right now, no? See here. First part only I told you. If x is equal to 2 is there, what you should write? You should see where x is equal to 2 on the graph. So here is 2, right? X is equal to 2.
Yes.
Here is 1, here is 2. So that point only you take and just make the graph which is parallel to y-axis over. Clear, no?
Sir, but
Okay,
the
so we
question
have
is
to
in
go to the
-2,
opposite
right?
side.
Yeah, see this, I just write here. Suppose I just tell you this one, then you understand better. 1 minute. See, this is a graph, okay? So if I mention here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2 is -1, -2. I should see here what? Y at y, where is -2? It's here -2, right? So this one
Yes,
is
sir.
parallel to which axis? Parallel to which axis, Rikshit?
X-axis.
X-axis. So we have to make a line in this way. We have to make a line like, I just make it bit up. 1 minute. Let's take the graph again. See, this is a line. If you see this line, no, everywhere if you see, y will be same. Here it may come 1, -2. Here may come 5, -2. But on this line, no, y will always be -2. Can you check it out? If here is -2, they will come answer what? -2, -2. If here, if you see, they'll come -6, -2. Correct? If each and every point on this line will be what? Y is -2. Can you check it out? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
You know how to draw the line, how to draw the points on the line, number line or not? If you are having doubt, you can ask. Because see, on this is x-axis, this one is y-axis, okay? This is x, this is y-axis. So you should make a parallel line over here, which is parallel to x-axis. So every point on this axis, this is y, y is equals to what? -2. Every point on this line is what? Y is equal to -2 only, right? Every point on this line is what? Y is equals to -2.
2.
Yes.
Sir, but they did teach us this.
Yeah, I'm just teaching you in detail actually. Your ninth class is what? A small, like you know, very small concept is there. Nothing is there in yours, right?
Yeah, sir, we don't have all this.
Yeah.
That's why I was getting confused. Yes, I understood.
They didn't start polynomial first.
Don't confuse anywhere, but it's very easy only. Yeah. Okay. Now I'll just today we'll just close here itself, children. Okay. Today a bit early, we're just leaving you. Sunday,
Okay,
right? So only 10-15 minutes early, I'm leaving to you. So we'll just join on then Tuesday we'll just meet, huh? In the evening 6:20. All right.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Fine, children. Okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.